Change is inevitable, and the next generation is always ready to step up. Let me share with you a whakataukī that captures this whakaaro. Ka pū te ruha, ka hao te rangatahi. As an old fishing net withers away or is cast away, a new one takes its place and goes fishing. This whakataukī is about passing the torch to the next generation, and it recognises the natural shift in leadership and influence as time moves on. We use this whakataukī a lot when somebody has passed on or is stepping down from an influential position, to acknowledge the younger generation and the big shoes that they have to fill. This whakataukī is also perfect for those moments of change, when a younger generation or a fresh perspective begins to shape and influence how the future might look. You might use this whakataukī to encourage young people to step into positions of leadership and remind them that it's their time to step up and shine. Ka pū te ruha, ka hao te rangatahi. Who's ready to step up and inspire the next generation?